George, what are you doing?
I'm exploring the stars, making pictures. I'm doing astronomy. Look here, Ethan. The astronomers study stars and heavenly things. For example, they study comets and asteroids and eclipses as well.
Oh, wow. Why is it so boring then, George? There are no comets or eclipses or asteroids here.
Ha! They are very rare phenomena. You must be very lucky if you want to see one of those.
I'm lucky. I just need to buy a telescope.
Oh. Oh! And you will use this microscope to shoot the stars then, Ethan?
Telescope, not microscope.
Huh. Oh, those amateurs. They buy telescopes and think that they can shoot a meteor rain or something. Ugh.
Oh. Ethan, you're the best.
Sonny, you're a very good boy.
This is my first work, but I'm planning to continue shooting starry skies.
Oh, I think he was just lucky. We'll see who will be lucky tomorrow. Luck will run out sometime.
Look, there goes a comet. I'm leaving. I need to make a new picture exhibition for tomorrow.
Oh, you are very talented.
No, not really. I just really like astronomy.
But you know about astronomy from me. When did you start liking it anyway?
I started liking it the day when the sky opened its mysteries for me. That's when. Huh? Oh.
How can it be?
Don't worry. You were just a bit unlucky.
Great! You are talented.
Marvelous. So good.
Thank you.
Bravo.
Thank you.
So
I'm
wonderful.
just a beginner in astronomy.
Bravo.
Why is he so lucky always? Why?
I don't know how it happens, George. I just take the telescope and take pictures. I'm just a bit lucky.
Oh, oh, oh.
And you are lucky in your micro world. Hey, tell me something. What are these grave faces for? Where are you going, huh? Heading to the library or what?
Hey guys! Now we're studying for a quiz about safety rules. As a matter of fact, the lesson is today. Want to come with us?
Come with you to study? I hate studying. It's way too boring. All the more for that safety rules nonsense. I know how to use the fire cartridge. What I know is enough, right? Oh.
Uh-huh. It's boring. You'd fall asleep.
Yeah, it's boring. You'd fall asleep, you would.
Well, whoever wants to go and waste their time may go and study without me. And we are going to play now.
Do whatever you please. Off you go, all.
Look at me, I'm a rocket. I'm the speediest of all.
And I can go even faster. Watch me!
And I have a blaster, and I can go pew, pew, pew.
Awesome. Let's go on the big railroad and play there.
Oh, no. But it's
You
dangerous.
coward. Why don't you go and play in a playground with babies?
All right. Let's go then. But not too far, okay?
Awesome. Just look at these wagons.
Oh, there must be 1 million of them.
Come on. A train cannot possibly be that long. Less than 1 billion. That's for sure, I believe.
Oh, how do we get over to the road? Oh, let's creep under the wagon.
What do you mean? Crawl under the wagon?
No way. You must not creep under wagons. It's very dangerous.
It's dangerous for you, Arnold. For you. Not dangerous for me. Hey, come on. Really, cowards. You're so funny, guys. Why did you shut your eyes?
Oh, there were trillions of wagons. I thought they'd never end, I swear. I swear I did.
Hey, guys, I was so terrified that I think I lost some weight.
When I grow up, I'll be carrying wagons. Just like these. And Arnold will get so fat that he will have to be towed himself.
Or pushed from behind,
I'll be speeding, of course. And Arnold will go like, "Hey, Sam Sparky, where are you going? Wait for me." Hey, what was that? Why am I moving? Why am I moving? Oh!
Hey, Sam Sparky, where are you going? Wait for me!
Switch yourself off the wagon. Switch yourself off the wagon.
Oh, no, I can't. The lock is jammed. Where is Sam Sparky?
Tell me what's happened. Sam Sparky, he is, well, he's traveling.
Where is he traveling?
We don't know, actually. We've never asked him. I think he's far away.
Hey, there he is. Look.
Here. Here is your runaway. The train had to make an emergency stop because of him. How could you defy the safety rules after I taught them to you so carefully? Now remember, children, a railroad is not a place for playing games.
Please forgive me, officer. I will never do that again, I promise.
We will never do that, please.
Oh, please. Promise.
Oh, all right, but this is the last time.
Well, what do you say, guys? Are you going with us to study for the safety rules quiz that's coming up soon?
Isn't it too late, Wendy?
It would have been too late if you had been gone for good, but you came back.
Oh, look at that. This tree's probably sick, guys.
But, George, how can you know that the tree is sick? It isn't coughing. And it has no fever either.
Trees don't cough, but a midsummer leaf dropping indicates that the tree is not well at all.
This is the oldest tree in the train city. It is older than Grandpa Billy himself.
Guys, we have to save it. Now let's go to the young gardener store.
Oh, something is going on here for sure. Hey, kids, where are you going, all of you?
Hey, do you know the tree that is older than Grandpa Billy?
Grandpa Billy? Yes, sure. What's wrong with him?
Well, he's drying up.
Oh, that's terrible. Grandpa Billy is drying up.
Mrs. Dove, when was the last time you checked your brakes?
What brakes indeed? Haven't you heard? Grandpa Billy is drying
He's
up.
drying up? All of him?
I'm not sure if it's the whole body or half, but it's truly contagious. We need to isolate him before he infects everybody.
Right. You run to Grandpa Billy and don't let him out of the house, and I will alarm the citizens immediately.
Who's there?
Nobody. You are dreaming. Sleep tight now.
What do you mean I'm dreaming, huh? Sleep tight, you say? I'm coming out there.
Oh no, coming out of bed is a bad idea. The weather is nasty today.
Why can't I open the door?
Because I'm holding it. Don't panic. We will take you to the hospital soon, Grandpa Billy.
That's it. We will visit the tree every day until it is well again.
Let's go and ask Grandpa Billy to give us some flowers to plant here around the tree.
Kids, run away! Grandpa Billy is out!
Have you seen Mrs. Dove, any of you? Oh, great. You know, you kids are doing well, very well.
Thank you, Grandpa Billy. Could you please give us some flowers to plant around the tree?
I love the idea. Wait here. I'll bring you flowers as soon as I can.
Grandpa Billy, wait! I'll help you.
Mr. Police Puff is asking you why you are not at school.
What on earth are you talking about? I'm asking, have you seen an infected patient around?
Why on earth are you covered with engine grease?
Oh, because grease protects from infection.
Hey, Vera, Wendy, just look at the flowers Grandpa Billy gave us.
Grandpa Billy, now don't fight back. Well, let's spread protective grease all over you, and you'll be just fine.
I'm perfectly fine without any grease at all, you know. And tell me, dear Mrs. Dove, please explain, why did you lock me inside my own house when you came by before, huh? Can you tell me that?
Oh. What a hilarious story. It was all my mistake.
Yes. We are sorry, Grandpa Billy.
Never mind. We all make mistakes, you know. But look, the kids are doing a great job over there, huh? Isn't that sweet, huh? Look.
Awesome movie! With a sword cut in half, then he was alive again. I was on the edge of my seat. He sat through the whole movie with his eyes shut. He didn't see a thing, I swear.
No, I wasn't. I heard everything.
Oh, look, old Billy's house is like the Black Castle in the movie.
What was that? I can hear someone is snarling.
And it's definitely not a steam engine. It's as if somebody is creeping up on a victim.
Creeping up on a victim? Ah! So Grandpa Billy changes into a monster every moonlit night, just like this tale says right here. What kind of monster can you check up and learn about? It's important. Well, it doesn't actually say here, but it sounds horrible and dangerous. Very dangerous.
Poor old Billy. It's because he's so lonely, I guess. But what if we're wrong about it?
There's only one way to check up our theory, guys, and I think I got it. Guys, I say we wait until the full moon comes out. And then we'll just... What will happen then?
Well, surely, then he'll come out and eat you up. That's what.
Why me? It could be you. I helped Grandpa Billy water his flowers and you didn't, you know.
George, why did you bring a bucket of water?
I heard that, or rather I read in a book that if you water them, they become friendlier. That's it. Guys, the moon is out now. Soon Grandpa Billy will turn the lights off, and then... Arnold, put the bucket down. I was only holding it, you know.
What do you know? Everybody needs a bucket.
Oh.
Why did you run away?
Why did you run away? That's it, everyone. Now we need to take action immediately, guys. Okay, bait is delicious food that a monster loves, but he doesn't have any for himself. I don't want to be bait. Besides, you know I'm not delicious at all.
Oh, but you're just a fat guy. Huh. It makes you so yummy, so live with it.
How's he gonna find out that I'm here? Well, first he'll smell you, and then he'll come out and eat you up. I mean, he'll try to, but we'll give him a treat from the bucket. George, I think I don't have any smell at all. Then how? Like this? Oh. No, not appetizing enough. Learn from me. Listen. Ooh!
Huh? That's outrageous! They won't let an old man sleep.
There he is. There. Spill water on him. Quickly now, quickly.
There you are, you naughty kids. Just you wait. Go away. Oh.
I wish I were you. Look at me, I'm all wet. You know what I think? Maybe Grandpa Billy made noises in his sleep like this.
Was he just snoring? Hey, George! Are you coming to play? Hey, George!
Poor George.
George got an electric shock.
Scary, isn't it? This is my new invention. It's called George 2000. He's my twin robot. He will do the house cleaning for me.
Oh, George! You're a genius!
How do you manipulate him?
With a remote. Just see this. George is good for nothing. Sorry, wrong button. Here, George is the most hardworking little train in the world.
I think the first phrase was a bit more accurate.
So you wanted to play outside?
Uh-huh.
Okay, George, house cleaning mode. Okay, let's go now.
Well, the great Professor George. He created something special, a robot.
Good afternoon.
What is going on here, eh?
Can I water the flowers, please?
Kid, watering flowers is a very serious business. But I see you are a very responsible little train. Why don't you go on and do it? And in the meantime, I will take a nap, and I can really use one. Hey, what's going on now? George, what have you done?
Grandpa Billy, I brought you some cakes.
Grandpa Billy, what's going on here? Whoa!
Who's disturbing the peace here?
It's George. It's George. It's all his fault, I tell you.
Well. Where's this naughty kid then?
There he is! Stop him now!
George, here!
Oh, dear me. They're identical. Now tell me who made the mess in Grandpa Billy's garden.
It was all my twin robot. Honestly, it's not my fault at all. No, he is my twin robot. Liar, you are the twin. I am George. No, I am George. No, I am. 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 No, I am.
No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
No, I am.
That's me.
No, I am. Oh, sorry. Did you drop this? Run! Oh, George. What have you done now?
Now I know for sure, guys. I guess I have to clean my room by myself.
So, what's this? A festival?
The Lantern Festival. It's so beautiful in Traintown.
Vera, you made a really good festival.
Here are the instructions of how to make a lantern.
The Lantern Festival! All my dreams will come true.
Why's that?
Didn't you know? People put lanterns on water and make wishes. I will create a giant lantern. My biggest wish will come true. I'm going to go make it.
No, the lantern must be as light as my wish.
Why do you want a contest? You should all just be happy, and you shouldn't compete.
This is really stupid. To make giant lanterns to have your biggest wish come true. I'd better make many small lanterns to have many small wishes come true.
Wow! You see how big it is? George will be so jealous when he sees his lantern.
I'll have the brightest lantern of wishes. Ethan will be speechless when he sees it.
Steve will not be able to sleep if he sees that I made 1,000,000 lanterns. Oi, oi, oh.
Why do boys always spoil everything? The festival will start in an hour and they haven't even finished their competition.
Here is my giant. How can I get it to the river?
It's so heavy. How is it going to sail?
Oh no! It's fallen apart!
Well, the festival is ruined because of those stupid boys. Everything's in vain.
I would never want my friend Vera to cry.
I want my friends to never fight.
Let the Lantern Festival, which Vera created, begin.
I never want my friends to fight. Let my friends' wishes all come true, all of them, the brightest ones and the biggest ones. Well, where did you take the lanterns?
According to your instructions, my wish of making a lantern came true immediately.
I'm inviting you to see a show of my new invention. The demonstration will take place tomorrow at 9:30 Train City time on the old road. Sincerely yours, your friend G. Interesting. Who is this mysterious G?
Thank you, my friends, for accepting my humble invitation. Today is a memorable day that, I guess straight away that G means George. You are a very good guesser, Arnold. I'm sorry, what was I talking about? Oh, yes, of course. I invented an engine that works on rainwater and whistle energy. At the beginning, I thought that G stands for General. What an amazing conclusion, Arnold. General. Ugh. Okay, listen up. In order to operate the engine properly, you need to add rainwater and whistle. One good whistle is enough for a 10-minute operation. Then whistle again.
Awesome. George, you're a genius.
Oh, well, this occurred to me somehow during the daytime.
Is it dangerous?
You may rest assured it's absolutely safe. But you'd better hide on second thoughts, because rainwater together with a whistle is unpredictable. Shall we begin then? I installed the Whistle 1 engine on this trolley can right over here. Let's start the countdown on 1, 2...
I'm hiding. You can start now.
3. Yay! It works! And this was a quiet whistle. Now please take your seats and get ready.
What now, George?
I need to test the engine's power to carry packages, that's what.
Why so slowly? Can we move faster?
The trolley can is fresh and new. I mean, the engine is fresh and new.
Yeah, so what?
Don't even try. It obeys only to my whistles. Interesting.
Yeah! It's awesome!
Oh no, it's too fast.
I didn't count on this.
Stop it, please. I want to get off. I'm scared.
I cannot stop it. You see, I only invented going forward. I haven't invented stopping it yet, I'm sorry to say.
Oh!
10 minutes are over. We have reached the point of destination. That was scary.
Boy.
Why are we climbing so high? Can't we take a ride on the trolley, Ken?
Thank you, but no thank you. I've had enough for one day.
look more manly without glasses.
George! Are you coming?
Isn't it too cold outside? Oi!
George! George! George, did you fall down?
No, I just thought it's underground. We should put a fence here, or someone will fall into the hole. Oi! Hello, T. Trollykin.
George, can't you see it's D. Trolleykin?
Hello, D. Trollykin.
George, where are your glasses? You can't see without them.
I can see everything without glasses. Mrs. Dove, your dress is very pretty. Hello, Wendy.
It's not even funny, George.
George, let's see who can jump farther. Hi! Wow, that was awesome. Come on, George.
George, where are you?
I'm here. There are 2 robbers in Arnold's house. Oh, they just tied Arnold up. Oh, what should we do?
George, you must be confused. What robbers are you talking about?
Scary.
I got you, Arnoldio. Tell me where my treasure is.
I won't tell you, Black Scorpion. I'm not afraid of you. You will never get my diamond rails and the golden sleeper.
Diamond rails? Oh. I should save him. Hold on, Arnold. George is coming to save you.
1, 2, 3.
I'm counting. 1, 2, 3.
Arnold, don't tell Scorpion where the diamond rails are.
You're funny, George. Diamond rails. Diamond rails.
I really can't see anything without my glasses. I have to wear them again.
George, you're the bravest train I know.